This AI tool actually has multiple tools within it, and if I click on launch Rita AI, now this is it. You can see right here it has the AI chat, which simply means you can do lots of things right here. You can write professional scripts, you can code, and every damn thing which you can actually do with chat GPT. And right here you can see it also has the AI arts, AI video, AI audio, and AI image tools. Now before I go ahead and explore these tools right here, let me show you how to get the best of this AI tool right here. Now if I come over to this platform called Gamsgo, so you can see right here you can actually purchase any of the AI tool right here, or any tool at all which you want to buy. And the good thing is that it is less expensive right here. You can see they have here the chat GPT plus, which is just 4.77 USDT every month. And right here they also have here the NordVPN, they have Grammarly, Suno, CapCut, FreePic, and the prices right here are super cheap right here compared to buying it from the platform directly. Okay, now then we are going to be talking about this particular AI tool, which is the Rita. And right here, instead of going through this, I will just use a search bar right here. Okay, so I'll just search for Rita. Okay, then I will enter. Now don't forget, I'm going to be showing us how to use this AI tool to generate realistic pictures, videos, and scripts. So just make sure you stick around till the end of this video, right? So like I said before, to get the best of this AI tool, all you need to do is to make sure you be on the pro version and you get the best of it. You know, being a serious content creator, you have to always go for some of this AI tool. Everything mustn't be free. If all you do is relying on free AI tool, that simply means you are not actually a serious creator right here. So to get started, to purchase this tool, all you need to do is to click on the link below this video. Okay, and this is where you will land right here. So click on join now. So right here, this is it. They have different payment method right here. They have the credit and debit card, which consists of the Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and every other card right here. And they also have here the credit and the debit, which also consists of this. You can see that. So you can select any one of the choice right here. This is it. They also have here the Google Pay. Okay, so I'll just select this particular card right here and I'll click on pay now. And so this is it. The first thing you need to do is to input or type in your card number, that number on your card, right? And the expiration date, the CVV, and the name on the card, and you are good to go. So once you click on pay now, you are good to go, and automatically you have activated your subscription. So right here you're going to be exploring these features, some of the features right here. And first I'm going to be starting with the AI chat right here to see if this can actually deliver perfect scripts. So I'll give you this prompt. So this is it. You are a viral YouTube storyteller. Write a detailed story outline designed for a 10 to 15 minute narration video. The story must 1. Start with a strong hook in the first 30 seconds. Secondly, use simple and conversational English. Third, build suspense and emotional tension and end with a powerful twist or lesson. Now the theme of this story should be betrayal. Okay, the theme of I want the story to be all about betrayal, and this is it. Make it highly engaging and optimize for audience retention. So now the next thing you need to do is to select the model right. You can see by default this is on the Rita model. So right here you can see they have here the Rita Pro, ChatGPT 5.2, they have Gemini 3 Flash, and the rest of them right here. They also have here this Cloud Opus 4 point, and the rest of them right here. So the model you are actually selecting right here will determine the results you are gonna be getting, right? So this is it. So if you could actually have access to ChatGPT 5.2, then what is the point of using the ChatGPT instead of using here? So right here I'm gonna be using the Rita Pro right here. Okay, let's go ahead and check the capability right here. So you can see it is already analyzing. So this is, you can see here is a suggested title, which is the friend who was never really there, and this is the hook. Okay, start with an intense, relatable question to grab attention, which is very, very important in every story. So this is it. For example, have you ever trusted someone so much only to find out they were the very person hurting you all along? This is the story of Jake and his best friend, and how one secret shattered everything. Now, so from the look of things, this is perfect. Okay, this is just the outline. Okay, and the hook, we enter the introduction of the characters and setup, which introduce Jake, and kind of, you understand, this is a kind of hardworking guy who values friendship above all. And we have here Mark, Jake's friend. Okay, so you can see everything right here, and we have here the rising suspense and emotional tension. This is it. Down to the number four, betrayal review, the emotional fallout and reflection. Down to the very last one here, which is this. So the next thing we have to do right here is going ahead to write this story. Okay, I mean to get the full story, and that is not what I'm gonna be doing in this video, right? If you want me to do a detailed video on how to write perfect scripts using this particular AI tool, so just drop it in the comment section of this video, and I'll make a separate video about that. How to write good story right here, to use a AI arts, video AI, I mean AI video, the audio AI, and the AI image too. Okay, so this particular AI tool does wonders. So if this is what you want me to do in detail, just drop it in the comment section and I'll walk us through the steps on how to do all this. And don't forget to get started, use a link in the description of this video. Okay, the first link is a link to Rita AI precisely, why the second link will be the link to Gamsgo, okay, where you can actually purchase any AI tool of your choice. For example, ChatGPT Plus, Inventor Element, Novview, and every damn thing right here. So the second link will take you to this space, okay, where you can purchase. Even you can also purchase your Spotify Premium right here. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of my valuable content like this, and don't forget to drop your comments. Okay, whatsoever you want me to do in the next video, drop it and I will cover that. Thank you and see you in my next video.